Installing door locks. So what I'm doing here is countersink for this to slot to go in and slot right into that. How do I know where to bore this hole or this one that I showed? I'm using 40 inches from the floor to the center of the lock. So 40 inches right here. Square. Transfer to the face. Transfer that to the face. Center. This is what is known as the tongue. It is 2 3/4 of an inch from there to the center of the hole, 2 3/4 of an inch. But from here to here is 2 3/8 of an inch. So 2 3/8 of an inch is what I do. Take 2 3/8 right there. 2 3/8 right there. So the thickness of the door is 1 inch and a quarter. So that means it will be 5/8 would be the center. I'm taking that measurement, should be 3 5/8 bam center. So I have 2-inch lock set. So point right into the epicenter and get a perfect. So this is a 3/4 bit. It should be a 7/8. So what I do is use my chisel to clean that into a square. See, neatly flush. This is what I'm using, a cylindrical entrance lock. Alright, so ensure that the keyhole is up. And then you're gonna place this in that. There's a tiny cap down inside there. So before you screw up, ensure that the lock is functioning. You have to ensure that the screw is catched properly. Now, if you are using a drill, you cannot point the drill straight, you have to point it on an angle. So you don't scratch the lock. Now, screw up and do that. So I'm adjusting it. Still need this to be rigid, but not for the lock. Too tight and not flying.